In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add moving average shift in TradingView Pro. First, make sure you're logged into your TradingView Pro account and you have a chart open. Any market is fine, whether it's stocks, forex, or crypto. Once your chart is up on the screen, look toward the top of the interface for the Indicators button. It's usually located in the main toolbar above the chart area. Go ahead and click on Indicators. This is where you can access all the built-in tools and scripts that TradingView offers. When the Indicators window opens, you'll see different tabs and categories. But to make things faster, move your attention to the search box at the top of this window. Click directly inside that search box. This will let you quickly find the exact indicator you want, instead of scrolling through long lists. Now, in that search field, start typing Moving Average Shift. As you type, TradingView will automatically filter the results. You should see the moving average shift indicator appear in the list below. If it doesn't show up right away, double check your spelling and make sure you're on a pro plan, since some indicators or features can be limited on lower tiers. Once you see moving average shift in the results, simply click on it. The moment you do, TradingView will add it to your chart. You'll notice a new moving average line appear, usually with a default color and style. This line is shifted forward or backward in time, depending on its settings, which can help you visualize potential future support and resistance or see trends a bit more clearly. To fine-tune it, hover over the indicator name in the upper left of your chart and click on the settings icon. Here, you can adjust the length, the shift value, and the type of moving average used, such as simple or exponential. Take a moment to experiment with these settings so the indicator matches your trading style and time frame. Remember, a larger shift will move the line further on the chart, so start small and adjust gradually. If you're not already on TradingView Pro and you want access to more advanced tools like this, with fewer limitations, check out the affiliate link in the description. Using that link can give you a smoother upgrade path to Pro and unlock additional features that make working with indicators like moving average shift much easier. That's all you need to get moving average shift up and running on your charts in TradingView Pro.